We're Dan and Ian, and we had an absolute fantastic time shooting today.
Yeah.
It was really cool. Got to see some cool stuff, take some really cool shots, I hope.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I think doing the glamour shot against the rustic was such a brilliant idea, and we took some fantastic shots that I wouldn't even imagine.
No, that's right.
So had a fantastic time, and they made it so easy for us.
They did. Lots of fun.
Yeah.
Lots of laughing. They just try and sore cheeks from smiling and laughing, so it was good.
These
like
girls are absolutely the best. So we would definitely recommend you guys to everyone that we know.